Dennis Gunter, Virginia Beach, Virginia. We wanted a pool for a few years now, just hearing about other people's testimonials through buddies in the military and buddies around Virginia Beach, and got in contact with Solid Structure. The design process was amazing. To sit down and in the room with the owner and the ops officer and to see it come together with your backyard design, to see the overlays, it really puts in your ideas and also asking them for help. You really get a full ID picture. To the first dig team for the insert, no complaints. I mean, really, it's great communication with their construction app and then being able to call the leads directly. Had the kickoff party, so to speak, and had the friends, family, food, and they said it was great. It's a lot of square footage to cover, so it was definitely an eye-opening experience for people, and they all asked who did it and how long it took and what was the process. So it was nice to share our experience with our friends and family, and now the experience of the pool. But I would say, honestly, if people really want a pool, at least give Solid Structure the time to explain the process, to meet and greet, because it is a lot of money that you're committing to the loan or your family money, your hard-earned money. But if you really want to know that people are going to answer the phone on the other end and walk you through a process that's going to give you memories for your kids, your family, and your friends, then reach out. If you're looking for a pool, I recommend Solid Structure for your future home improvements for pools.